Hello everyone, welcome to the RPA practical series. So I am here with another practical of RPA. So this is 6B. Here we have to create and automate the process to extract data from an Excel file into a data table and vice versa. Using one Excel sheet data to copy and writing it into another Excel sheet. See what we have to do. Basically here we will require two Excel file. See, in simple terms, what we will do, we will just copy paste data from one Excel file to another Excel file using practical steps. Okay, let me tell you, let me show you. Okay, suppose see we have in previous practical what we have did, we performed a practical implementation on this Excel file. Okay, this one we have used in previous practical. So in this practical what we have to do, see here I have created two Excel file, salary and salary one. Okay, in this Excel file we have some data in it, and in this Excel file it is totally empty. So what we will do, we will copy data. Wait, we will copy all this data into this Excel file. Okay, and we have to automate this process using UiPath Studio. So we will see this one. So let me start with the practical. Open the UiPath Studio, create a blank process, 6B practical. Okay, project settings, disable this modern design experience. See, now it became a habit to let you know, guys, you have to disable that modern design experience. So continue with the practical. So first of all, take one Excel application scope. Okay, and select the path of your Excel file in documents. See, you have to choose the Excel file in which you have some data. Okay, so I will use this one, salary.xlx file. Okay, now to read all the data inside this Excel file, I'll take one read range activity, this one. Okay, and we have to store all the data inside a variable. So for this read range, I'll create a variable. Click here, properties, read. So click here, create variable. So I'll write amp data underscore data. Okay, now all the data are stored inside this. The next step, we will take one output data table. Sorry, yeah, this one, output data table, and click here, go inside the properties, and first of all provide the input variable data table variable as this one, the variable we have created here, yeah, mdata. And for output we will create another variable. Click here, create variable. So I'll write mtable. Okay, now click here, take one message box. Oh yeah, this one, and print the data. So in this we will not use this emp data because this is considered as the input inside this properties. So we'll take this one, emp table. Click here, write mp underscore table, this one. Okay, now see, this is done for one Excel file in which we had some data. Now see, come to the main sequence, click here, take another Excel application scope, and now you have to select the Excel file which is empty. So initially I told you I have created two Excel file, one with some data and another one which is empty. So in this second case I will take this one which is totally empty. Click this. Okay, now click here, now take one write range activity, just because we have to copy all the data from this Excel file. We have to extract all the data from this Excel file and we have to store it inside this Excel file, empty Excel file. Okay, so click here and use the data, use the variable output. Sorry, it is not showing me here. Okay, first of all, go here, click here, data table, and first of all change the scope of this variable. Click on this output data table, go in variables and emp data. You can see here scope is do, so we have to select the main sequence because now I'm going to use this emp data variable inside this main sequence. That is why. So change the scope of this output data table. Okay, now you will get, now you can print here emp data. Yeah, see, now we are not getting any error. So at last I'll write message box in double quotes, data copied successfully. Sorry, in double quotes, data saved. Sorry, right. Okay, see, we are done with the steps. Now I'll run the debug the program. Okay, let me show you first. See, now here we have this to Excel file. See, first of all, it will copy all the data and it will paste it into this Excel file, which is totally empty, and this will be done automatically. So I'll show you after running the program. Okay, now see, debug. See, first of all we got this output, like we have all the data. This all data will be saved into that empty Excel file. Let me click OK. So data copied successfully. Done. Now we'll see those Excel files. See, this is the one from which the data is copied, and this is the one where the data are pasted successfully. So that's it. This was the practical steps and the output. Okay, if you are facing any kind of error or any kind of like difficulty to perform the practical, so please let me know in the comment section, so I'll try to solve it out. Okay, thanks for watching.